Hello everyone, this is Praveen Chittaju again from TimeChamp. Today we are going to discuss about the TimeChamp and ActivTrak. And in this session, we will discuss which employee monitoring platform delivers better ROI. Are you ready? Let's deep dive into the session. If you are evaluating ActivTrak and TimeChamp, you have already decided you need employee monitoring. Both platforms track apps, websites, and active timelines and ideal time. The core monitoring capabilities overlap significantly. So the real question is not whether to monitor, it's what you monitor for. You are evaluating ActivTrak and TimeChamp. You have already decided you need employee monitoring. Both platforms tracks apps, websites, activity timelines, and ideal time. The core monitoring capabilities overlap significantly. So the real question is not whether to monitor, it's what you are monitoring for. Before we dive into the comparison, let's set the context. According to 2023 Gartner survey, 82% of organizations adopting employee monitoring, site manager visibility, and attendance verification as top priorities, not advanced behavioral research. This statistics frameworks the entire comparison you are about to see. ActivTrak is built for understanding user behavior patterns across the organization. Who does what and when and how work flows through teams. It's analytics first, designed for HR leaders and IT teams who want to answer questions like, are our tools being adopted? Where are collaboration bottlenecks? What does productive behavior looks like in our environment? This answers these type of questions. TimeChamp is built for productivity, accountability, and utilization. Operation leaders, project managers, and business owners need different answers. How are work hours distributed? What's billable versus non-billable time? Is attendance verified? What team level output this week? These are the questions which is going to be answered by TimeChamp. Let's talk about reporting, because raw monitoring data only matters if you can turn it into decisions. ActivTrak deserves credit here. Their analytics engine is built for organizations that want to study workforce behavior. You get advanced filtering, custom productivity benchmarks, drill down capabilities across departments and time ranges, and integrations with business intelligence tools like Tableau and Power BI. But here is the implementation reality. Extracting data value required configuration, training, and often dedicated analysts. You are not opening the platform on day one and identifying or immediately seeing what you need. TimeChamp takes different approach. The reporting library is focused on operational questions managers ask every day. Which team members are underutilized? How much time is going to be billable versus non-billable work? What are the top unpredictable applications across the teams? These type of questions answered by TimeChamp. Let's talk about what happens after you sign the contract, because deployment speed and admin overhead matters just as much as futures list. ActivTrak is built for enterprise IT teams. IT admin interface is powerful. You can configure granular productivity categories, set custom policies rules by departments, manage your role-based permissions down to the user level. But that power comes with complexity. Expect a dedicated admin to own the platform. One mid-market logistic company told us their ActivTrak rollout took 6 weeks, not because of technical issue, but because defining the productivity categories and aligning the stakeholders across the HR, IT, and operations took 3 rounds of internal workshop. TimeChamp takes a different approach. Install agents, define productivity and unproductivity apps, categories using the pre-built templates, assign teams, and start tracking. Most teams are collecting data within 48 hours. The admin UI is where you will spend time configuring policies, managing teams and troubleshooting. ActivTrak's admin interface is very powerful. You can configure granular productivity categories, set custom policy rules by departments, manage role-based permissions, which is down to the user level. The admin UI is streamlined around core monitoring needs, attendance verification, productivity scoring, idle time analysis without requiring a certification course to navigate. Both platforms likely offer cloud and on-premises deployment options depending on configuration, but ActivTrak markets heavily to enterprise buyers with complex infrastructure requirements. TimeChamp is designed for straightforward cloud deployments. The outcome? ActivTrak is better fit if you have a dedicated IT resources. Yes, that is to invest in configuration and customization. TimeChamp wins if you need monitoring running this week, not next quarter. Here is a side-by-side feature comparison. Both platforms cover core monitoring capabilities, apps, website tracking, activity timelines, idle time analysis, screenshots, and productivity scoring. The differentiation comes in reporting depth, deployment speed, admin complexity, and pricing transparency. ActivTrak offers advanced analytics with the BI integrations and custom benchmarks, but requires configuration and analyst resources. TimeChamp provides pre-built operational reports with immediate usability for non-technical managers. ActivTrak's enterprise onboarding fits large deployments. TimeChamp self-service model fits teams needing monitoring this week. And pricing, ActivTrak uses custom codes after sales discovery. TimeChamp publishes transparent per user cost. Let's be clear about where each platform genuinely excels. ActivTrak's strengths are real: dashboard sophistication, analytical depth, custom productivity, and its benchmarks, and integrations with enterprise business intelligence tools. If you are a 500 plus employee enterprise with an HR analytics team running workforce behavior studies, ActivTrak's depth makes sense. TimeChamp's strengths are equally real: practical visibility without complexity, pre-built reports that non-technical managers can also use immediately, transparent pricing, and deployment speed measured in days, not in weeks. A 40% IT services firm switched from ActivTrak told us they were spending 4 hours a week just preparing reports for management. With TimeChamp, that's dropped to under 30 minutes. Same visibility, fraction of the effort. Now let's talk about the trade-off, because no platform is perfect. ActivTrak weaknesses are tied to its strengths. The analytics depth that makes it powerful also makes it complex. You need configuration time, training investments, and often a dedicated analyst to extract value. One mid-market logistics company told us their rollout took 6 weeks, not because of technical issue, but because defining productivity categories and aligning stakeholders took 3 rounds of internal workshops. And pricing is opaque. You will go through sales discovery calls to get a custom quote. TimeChamp's trade-offs are different. You won't get the same analytical depth for workforce behavior studies. If your HR team wants to run cross-departmental collaboration pattern analysis or build custom burnout risk models, TimeChamp's reporting library won't support the level of research. It's built for operational visibility, not data science. Let's talk about the cost, because monitoring ROI is not just about features. It's about cost per insights. ActivTrak does not publish pricings. That's typical for enterprise-focused platforms. You will contact sales, go through discovery calls, and receive a custom quote. Based on their positioning alongside tools like Orito and their analytics steps, expect enterprise type per seat cost. That's justified if your compliance team needing forensic level of behavioral analytics across thousands of employees. TimeChamp takes a different approach. Transparent, accessible pricing. You get app and website tracking, screenshots, productivity scoring, attendance reports, ideal time analysis, and activity timelines without enterprise their cost. No sales gunlets, no minimum seat counts, inflating your initial investments. Here is the ROI reality. If your goal is reducing unproductive hours and improving billable utilization across a 50% remote team, TimeChamp delivers measurable ROI faster. A regional marketing agency with 43 hybrid employees deployed TimeChamp specifically because the per user cost allowed them to monitor the entire team. Yes, that's including contracts without budget approval delays. They recovered 11 unproductive hours per employee per month within the first quarter. The platform paid for itself in just 6 weeks. If you are currently using ActivTrak and considering a switch, here is what the migration looks like. The transition is straightforward because both platforms cover the same core monitoring capabilities: app and website tracking, activity timelines, ideal time analysis, screenshots. You are not losing fundamentally. What changes is the reporting model. You will move from custom analytics dashboards to pre-built operational reports. For most teams, that's an upgrade in usability, not an downgrade in value. The 120% IT services firm we mentioned earlier made this exact switch. Their operation director needed billable utilization data, not behavioral pattern analysis. TimeChamp gave them the visibility immediately. No reconfiguration, no analyst required. Deployment is fast. Install TimeChamp agents. Configure productivity and unproductive apps categorized using the templates. Assign teams and start tracking. Most teams are collecting data within 48 hours. You can run both platforms in parallel during the transition if you need continuity. Here is the practical example that captures the difference. A 120% IT services firm evaluating both platforms told us they chose ActivTrak initially because the dashboards looked more sophisticated. 3 months later, they switched to TimeChamp. Why? Their operation director needed to answer one question every Monday morning: which clients consumed how many hours last week, and were those hours productive? ActivTrak gave them behavioral insights. TimeChamp gave them utilization data they could bill against them. That's the core difference in one sentence. So, here's where we are. ActivTrak is built for enterprise analytics teams who need behavioral intelligence and workforce research capabilities. TimeChamp is built for operational leaders, IT managers, and business owners like you who need reliable monitoring and actionable productivity metrics without the analytics overhead or the enterprise price tag. See your expectations now. ActivTrak will win on dashboard sophistication and analytical depth. TimeChamp wins on practical visibility and cost efficiency. The question is which problem you are solving. If you are ready to see what workforce visibility looks like without the complexity, start a free trial at timechamp.io. No credit card is required, no enterprise sales cycle, just activity dashboards and utilization reports you can start using from today. And utilization reports you can start using from day one. If you are managing a larger team or need a configuration monitoring policies for your specific use case, remote accountability, billable utilization, complex readiness, book a dedicated demo from timechamp.io website. Our expert team is waiting for your call. We will walk you through TimeChamp's monitoring capabilities with someone who understands operational visibility, not just data science. Bottom line is, you don't need a behavioral analytics platform to manage remote team productivity. You need visibility. Yes, You need visibility friends, accountability, and utilization insights. TimeChamp delivers exactly that. Friends, thanks for watching the video. Please scan the QR code and book a dedicated AI delegation audit from our expert team for you and your organization. We are offering a 7 days free trial for use it. No credit card is required. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video is informative for you. See you again with another informative video. Take care. Bye.